Create a stunning focal point that enhances any room with a Valor LEX Electric Fireplace, built in the UK by Charlton & Jenrick. Our modern electric fires offer eye-catching designs and options for anyone looking for a beautiful, easy-to-use fireplace equipped with the latest technology. Valor LEX Electric Fireplaces were designed to create maximum visual impact in your home. Clean lines make the LEX's modern design look great in your space, even when the fire is off. Relax with mood-enhancing, ultra-realistic flame effects and 3 color styles, as well as a wide range of underbed LED lighting options. What's more, additional depth within the firebox allows for realistic log sets and increased illumination throughout the fireplace. Choose between birch, driftwood, or splitwood log sets. The Valor LEX fireplace can be installed in 3 different ways. 3-sided installation means both the left-hand and right-hand sides of the fireplace are open to provide a full 180-degree viewing experience. With corner installation, the supplied blanking plate keeps either the left or right side of the fire open while enclosing the opposite side. Front or straight-on installation means the fireplace is recessed into the wall. The blanking plates enclosed both the right and left side panels to provide a clear frontal view. All Valor LEX fireplaces operate with the innovative thermostatic remote. The remote allows you to easily control your fire and access its many features. Adjust the flame effect, timer settings, lighting, mood lights, or heater individually or in conjunction with one another, all from the palm of your hand. Visit our website to learn more or visit an authorized Valor dealer near you.